I'm here with, not funny. Hey guys, I'm here with my youngest child today, who's 5 years old, and she's just about to finish kindergarten.
Juliet.
And her name is Juliet. And what are we making?
Organic carrot muffin with cream cheese frosting.
Organic carrot muffins with cream cheese frosting. I know you can talk louder than that. And so this is like a nice sweet treat, but kind of healthy because we've got carrots going in and walnuts, and actually everything is organic. So we're gonna go ahead and get started by...
And I like muffins.
Yes, you do. We're gonna get started by putting everything in the mixer. So we're gonna cream our sugars and butter first. So, am I putting it in then? You don't like butter? You eat butter on your bagels, on your pancakes? Let's give it a little help. 1 stick of organic butter. Okay. Next, you okay? Next is our sugars.
What sugar?
Organic sugar, just regular sugar. So, hang on. So a half a cup, and this is a fourth, so we're gonna double it. So a half a cup of regular cane sugar. Good tapping. 1 more of those.
All around the cheese.
It's not cheese, it's butter. Okay, next is organic brown sugar. No, you're gonna do the same thing, 2 of those. So half a cup of brown sugar. Okay, nice and neat. Over here, let me help you. Let me help you. Juliet! Okay, packed in tight. Okay, put it in. All right. Okay, that's good. Drop some. Okay, that's good. 1 organic egg.
I got one. No, Mommy!
No, it's I don't want you getting shells in there. Okay. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Ready? Hold it over the bowl. Yeah. Yeah, right there. Stay still. Good. Okay, so we're gonna cream those together.
Smells good. Smells good, Mommy. Smells
I know,
good.
it's because it's vanilla. Doesn't it smell awesome?
Smells like black olives.
Not one bit. Okay.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay, so we're gonna cream this. We're gonna get it locked. Watch out, we have a lock. Okay.
Whoa!
Ooh,
Yummy.
looking good. Sweet. Okay, that's nice and
Can I
mixed.
taste it?
No, it has raw eggs. You can taste the frosting after. Okay, so that is nicely mixed. Now we're gonna unlock and add the rest of our ingredients.
Hey, it smells good. I'm gonna taste it.
Okay, so I have 3 organic, finely shredded carrots going in.
Oh, why do you use your hand?
Because I don't have anything else, Missy.
Yes, you do. You have a spoon. Here we go, 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 go. On the adventure.
And 1.5 cups of flour.
Go, 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 go.
Just
on
singing,
the
babe.
adventure. There's a cat in the hat.
Oh, this thing gets in the way though, hang on. Okay, so 1.5 cups of flour. Go ahead and put the 1 right there, please.
So heavy.
No, it's not.
All around the carrots.
Tap it.
And the carrots.
Okay, this is 1/4 cup, so we're gonna double it to make it a half.
All around the carrots.
Easy, girl.
All around the carrots. All around the carrots. Wait, I need to tap it.
Okay, that's great.
Do.
Wasn't sure if I should bust out the wine this early. So So 1.5 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Easy. 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. Little messy. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and this is 1/2 teaspoon, so I'm going to put 4 because it fits in the top better.
Can I do it?
So we're going to do 4 of those. There's 1.
No, I want to do it.
Okay, but I don't want you to put too much.
I'm going to do it.
Get 2 more. Don't overfill it. It's going to be too much cinnamon.
3.
So that's 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, not 4. Okay. And I think we're on our last ingredient, vanilla extract. No, we did vanilla.
Yeah, we did.
We did it, okay.
Mommy, you
Oh.
ruined the whole thing.
I didn't ruin anything. All right,
I want to lock. I'm going to
lock it, yep. Okay, and we're gonna get this nice and
Oh,
mixed.
do
Okay, go slow though.
it.
I'll do it.
How do you do that?
Oh, sorry, baby. Okay,
Yummy.
let the machine do its work now. Get it nice and creamy. Ooh.
Pink carrots.
Well, it's looking good.
Oh, it
All right.
smells so good.
Doesn't it?
Can I smell? Can you smell?
Wow.
Ready?
All right, so Juliet is lining the muffin tin with papers. The oven is preheated to 350 degrees. And so I'm just gonna start spooning this batter into the papers, okay? A nice heaping spoon into each one.
Can I do it?
Well, finish with the papers and then I'll let you do it. Okay?
Wait, don't do any of these. Don't do any of
Okay,
these. I'm
okay.
doing it.
All right, yes, boss.
I
Hurry.
said don't do that.
Oh, well, hurry, we gotta make frosting, and that's your favorite, isn't it?
No, don't. Don't. I'm doing it.
Or do you see what mommy's doing here?
Next
Oh, you're alternating? Make sure you don't crinkle them. You see what I'm doing here, babe? You take a big spoon like this, like that, and then you slide it in with your finger. You got it? You still want to do it?
Yeah.
You got to do it right. You have to do it the way I show you, okay?
More on this one.
No. Good. Don't worry, you can wash your hands after. You're silly.
Hey, guys.
You are one silly goose. Smells good, right? Just don't worry about it because you're going to do more. Your finger's going to just keep getting stuff on it.
There.
So we're going to get 12 muffins out of this. So I'm going to fill these as much as I need to make 12.
Lightning and the thunder, thunder, thunder. Feel thunder. Lightning and the thunder, thunder. I know a lot of you don't know thunder because it's just.
You think
Right.
so? A lot of people don't know that song? I bet a lot of people actually do know it. It's pretty popular.
Last one that's so big.
Look at you, girl. She had career day at school and she said she wanted to be a chef. Cute, huh?
Remember pre-K?
Yeah. Remember you made the cute little chef hat? So the ones that aren't as full, I'm going to fill a little more. This one looks a little skimpy. Okay, so
This one's kind of.
I am going to pop these into a 350 degree oven. I'm going to start at 30 minutes and then test the center at that point and see if they're done. And if not, we'll just add some more time on. And I'm going to get this clean so we can make the cream cheese frosting. Okay, now we're gonna make the cream cheese frosting in the mixer. I have a block of organic cream cheese. Sometimes you can get it on sale and it's not that much more than regular, so that's the way to go. Try to shop those sales. Okay. This is my cream cheese frosting that I make. I use it on like chocolate cake, cinnamon buns. I love cream cheese frosting.
God, I know. It just smells bad.
Okay, you put this all over the butter.
It just smells bad, Mommy.
You think so? You don't like the smell of cream cheese? You just like it with all the sugar?
Yeah, with all the sugar.
Okay, so 1 block of cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of softened butter.
Mommy.
Okay, I'm gonna let you do something, I promise. Okay, hold this over the bowl. Got it? All right, we're gonna do 2 cups of organic powdered sugar. Okay, pour it.
All over the cream cheese frosting. Done.
They can be heaping. Okay.
Right.
And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gotta let you help. Whoa, whoa, you're tipping it. Okay. And for a little extra creaminess, about a tablespoon of half and half, or milk. Here, you have to line it up with this.
Okay, we'll do it.
There we go. Okay, twist, all right.
I will lock it.
Yep. Good.
Lock.
Okay, and now we're gonna start
No,
mixing.
I wanna
Of course. A little higher. Okay, good.
Because it will like blast.
I know. Okay, so we're gonna let that get really nice and creamy.
Woo!
I know. Are you gonna wanna lick the little beater? Okay, it's almost done. Just let it pick up all that sugar in there. So as soon as our yummy carrot muffins are done, we will be frosting them with this delicious cream cheese frosting. Okay, I'd say it's done. What do you think?
Yeah.
That way. Good.
Off.
Unlock. Lift. Scrape some of that because there's no way I'm letting you eat all that. Hey, there's still a lot. Okay. Too much. Okay, here, you can lick that. She's gonna be on a sugar rush after this. Just hold it. I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Okay.
Okay. All right. We'll be back when the muffins are done. Okay, so the muffins took exactly 30 minutes and they're perfect. I tested them in the center. Everything was cooked. Stop it. So we're gonna go ahead and get them frosted. So pull one out like this. This is way easier, Juliet. And you can put as little or as much frosting as you like.
I already have much frosting.
So frost it nice and neat. I'm sure she's gonna do a great job.
I just can't get it on the like. Oh, it just
Looks good, huh?
red. Doesn't get all that.
My phone cut off right in the middle of us filming a minute ago. So anyway, she's been frosting these beautifully and we had taken a bite together and it got cut off. So you want to take a bite together again?
No. I don't want to do this.
Because these are, holy cow, fantastic, guys. I highly urge you to make them. Right?
In our video, we always make it.
Hopefully nobody's a germaphobe as she's licking all the frosting. Anyway, thanks to this little cutie for helping. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, like this video, and share with friends. Have a great day. Bye.